Tradovate, Ninjatrader, and Profit Trader just launched a new max loss feature that locks your account once you hit your limit. You may be shocked to learn that traders who use these features are 2.3 times more likely to achieve funded status than those who don't. Setting a max loss is like going to a casino with a fixed budget. Once it's gone, you're done for the day. My name is JD. I teach retail traders how to pass prop firm challenges and improve their overall trading performance. You could be like Nicole, who just passed her first challenge and got to asking those first-time passer questions. The community chimed right in and got her straight. Now, you have to love a fervent community that's increasing together. Scan this QR code or comment below, give me the guide, and I will send you Finally Funded, the guide that can help you get to your first payout. Platforms like Tradovate and Ninjatrader now let you set daily and weekly loss limits that automatically lock your account when reached. Profit Trader uses an end-of-day trailing drawdown system that gives you more flexibility while still protecting your capital. The magic happens when the platform automatically closes all your positions and prevents new trades once you hit your daily limit. No more bad emotional decisions when you're already in drawdown. This is very important. Traders who keep losses below 50% of their daily limit achieve funded status over twice as fast as those who regularly push the boundaries. This isn't about preventing disasters. It's about building discipline that creates sustainable success. Trading platforms now offer self-destruct buttons to protect your capital. If you can't stop overtrading, stop beating yourself up about it and use the risk management feature on Tradovate to sow discipline into your trading. If you keep failing challenges and want real practical advice, hey, scan this QR code or just comment below, give me the guide, and I will send you Finally Funded. Now it's time to put in some work study. Roll it. Hey guys, how's it going? Today is October 17th, 2025. This will be our work study lesson for today. We're going to start at the session open and see if we can get a trade at the open. We may have a good one cooking today. It's Friday, Runner Friday. Let's check it out. All right, guys. So let me get my tool up. All right, so the market open, boom, right here. So when the market opened, we were in my key entry point zone. And then we broke out. Did we get a trade here? Not really. What you would be looking for here in normal situations would be a breakout pullback. And you definitely got the breakout. And you definitely got the pullback right here. It just came up slightly short. But if you look at it off the 21 EMA though, ooh, man, I don't know if you get to go. I mean, yeah, I want to make it happen, but there's no entry. This is all up. So this would have been your first entry. So if you were looking for a second entry, you wouldn't go because this is just a first entry. Now, if you took it as a breakout pullback though, you go. If you saw this as a breakout pullback, you go. And it's a breakout. We pulled back, we just didn't touch, but I mean, it's a clear break pullback. So if you go right here, I get it. I ain't mad at it at all. It's so close to being off the bottom key entry point level that, yeah, you take that shot. And if you take that shot, the other reason you take this shot is because we broke out, we pulled back, like I said, kind of tested. So I'm thinking short this whole time. I'm also thinking we're going to get another leg of this distance right here because this was a clear leg down. I would be expecting a second leg, and by golly, Miss Molly, they did not get it almost perfectly. 2 legs down. And I mean, this is a huge drop too. We talking real money here. This doesn't look like anything, but now that we're in volatile times again, this is a huge drop. This thing was 66.28 down to 65.73, people. It's runner time out here, y'all. It's the best time of the year. We got market volatility. This thing the S&P is going over 100 points a day. It's a great time to be a futures trader. I mean, it's even better time to be a prop firm trader. It's even better time to be with Profit Trader daily payouts, where if you make $1,000 a day, you snatch that grand off. Hey, if you ain't with Profit Trader, you mess with these other prop firms, I don't know what's wrong with you. You need 40% off, use code 1121, man. Get that 40% off, grab you a 150K account. Don't play around with anything else, blowing accounts, wasting money. Spend the big money at the beginning. Trade accordingly, drop down the micros if you have to, but you don't have to with the 150K account. That's why we're going big, so you can trade 1, 2, 3, 4 minis contracts, and ain't that big of a deal. Anyway, I got sidetracked. So This is, hey, it's a great time to be a trader, man. Right now, we finna make doubt. That was the long and short of it. But then it did something wacky, y'all. After this drop, but see, this was a 96-point drop, though. I said wacky. I guess after 96 points straight in one direction, you should turn. So we dropped, we ranged for a hot second. I'm just gonna mark this up just so you can see how prices move. This ain't nothing but auction theory. We dropped, we started ranging, then look, we broke out that range. Breakout, pull back, boom, off to the races. Or you can look at it this way: breakout, pull back, boom, off to the races. No, just another breakout, pullback trade. Let me draw it. Breakout, pull back, test the breakout level, bam, off to the races. This is how prices move, people. This is I'm not teaching you rocket science. It's really not hard. It's really not. Not after you understand how the market actually works. It's really not hard. All right. Then now we broke back in to the original zone. So anything can happen, but look, we ranging again right now. Very, very small boy, but hey, whenever I think I see a range, I box it up because the market goes from one range to a trend. The market rate goes from one range to a next via trend. So if I know I'm in a range, I'm waiting to catch the next trend move. You get it? You dig it? All right, so here we are. So this is where we are. The market is going to open up. Got a little way, 17 minutes. All right, 17 minutes. So here's my call. My call is that it's Runner Friday. First off, most traders don't like Friday. Me and my wife we have named it Runner Friday because we have caught some of the best runs ever on Friday. I don't know about the rest of y'all, but man, I see people all the time talk about they don't trade on Fridays, they take Fridays off. Man, I've caught some ridiculous runs on Friday. Anyway, it's Runner Friday. So we had a 96, let me recap because I probably didn't do this good. We had a 96-point drop. Then we had an 85-point move up. Well, it's higher than 85 now. Probably 96. We probably had the same drop. We dropped 96 and went back up 96. We're currently in my zone again, where it's just I would play range phase. So anything can happen. We can go higher, we can go lower. But we went lower first. That first 96-point drop was first at the beginning of the session. Therefore, that's the bias because it happened first at the beginning of the session. We opened the session and the session first dropped 96 points. Then it pulled back. So as far as my leg and market cycle, I'm going to say that I'm owed a second leg down right now. And it's well overdue. So I'm looking for a short. Since we traded up into this range, if we break out short, it's going to be very strong. And if we cross 66.37 with some momentum, basically break out again out of this zone I have, it's going to drop like a rock. And so the call is that we going short at the open, man. As soon as we see any price action set up that can get us there, a wifey, a breakout, pullback, anything that can get us going short, that's my bias. Right now, the bias is neutral as long as I'm in this zone. But as soon as we hit 66.37, as soon as we hit 66.38, 66.37.75, if that thing look like it's going to keep trucking, I'm going to be trucking right with it. All right, so that is the call. And let's look at why I'm looking at that. We got some time here. So here's what I'm saying, people. When we first opened up the market, right, here's the open. When we first opened up, I mean, we dropped 96 points right here. We are owed another leg, but here's the problem. We already pulled back too far. Like normally we'd pull back, what, 50% and then get the second leg. But you see what I'm saying? So we've already pulled back so far that I actually got to go. I got to switch what I just said because we pulled back too far. So that leg, we ain't getting no second leg. Maybe not, because it's already pulled back to a new high. So we can scratch that second leg. What that means is that I need to think about what's currently happening then. What leg is running up right now? That's this leg. My goodness. All right. So we haven't had a pullback yet. If we were to pull back, I would say for this to look like normal, something like this, trend up, two legs back about here. I'm gonna say by the time we get the 2 legs back, it will look probably something like this, where we thinking we gonna go short again, but then we kind of play on this line for a while, and then bang. If I was gonna trade off a market cycle, this is what I'll be looking for, because it should look like this: trend up, 1, 2 legs back, then boom, second leg. That's what it should look like. That's what it should look like if we go this route. But my gut is telling me. Also, we gapped up at the beginning of the week, and I told you guys that whenever you gap up, it's probably gonna drop the remainder of the week, which we did. This is the final day. So my question, if we've already filled that gap, so that gap is over and everything, but we still dropped, like just like I said back 5 days ago. I just feel like we gonna go short, y'all. Here's the thing. I can win either way, because if I go back to the 2 legs up, right, I still need 2 legs back before we really start trucking up again. So what I'm saying, either I'm gonna catch the 2 legs back in the center of this pattern, or we're actually gonna just drop, and I'm gonna be in at the early. I'm gonna be in early on the first leg down on the 2 leg drop. Either way, I'm probably gonna go short, man. I'm just saying. But we are in my key entry point, right? So let's think about the bias. The bias is neutral because I'm in my zone, and then I'm in a range, and in a range now. So if I buy, I should buy off of this level right here. If I sell off, I should sell off the top, and then see what happens. And so we gonna have to see what the kid does, and we'll have a little bit more price action to tell us. And once we get some more price action, things will become clearer. I'll be back near the open. All right, I had to make my screen a little bit bigger so we can see, you know, and look at the EMA, it's straight across. So we don't want to try to trade in this. We want to wait till we break out at the top or the bottom. Hopefully it'll happen right when the market opens in 6 minutes. We'll be back. Guys, I just thought of one other scenario that I hadn't thought about, because I'm just looking at my key entry levels. This could be a big old range. Like, look where it's stopping. Like, if I just scroll across here, bam, that's the top. We just made the bottom. We're at the top of a humongous range, and we just came off the bottom. You see why I had the feeling to go short? Go short, people. Look at this. We touched once. We actually back here once, twice, 3 times. This is touch 5, and we still ain't breaking. Now, this changes things. Let me get this off altogether. What I'm saying is, yeah, if we break out, if I get a breakout pullback here, I'm going long. If I get a breakout pullback here, I'm going long, and my target is going to be the top of my key entry point, easy target. If we break out at the top here, we're going long, easy target. Oh man, what's going on here? They tripping. Lose a connection before the open? Stop it. Stop that. All right, bring me back. What's going on here? What's going on here? Man, stop playing. Okay. Let me do my checks, make sure I'm good. Okay. Yes, we about to drop, y'all. Look at that volatility. Look how the market is getting volatile, just getting close to the open. Starting to get volatile. So we got our play. We have our play. We break out this top, I'm going long, breakout pullback. If we can't, which we just bounced up here again, so really, I need another line. Never mind. Well, I'll make another line for you guys real quick. The other line to watch is right here. Right here. We break this line, I'm going short. All right, there's the call. We boxed up. It breaks the top line, so that's the call. Hey, it break that top line. It's gonna be a breakout pullback. We're gonna go with it. It goes short, man. It could make a wifey trade right now, or a breakout pullback. to go short. Real small area here. When the market opens up, it's gonna do one of the two, and we're gonna go with it. Let's get it. Easy money. I'm gonna call it easy money because I think we finna catch a runner.
Order submitted. Order filled. Stop filled.
Up on that one. I did not mean to risk that much. If you need to learn how to trade, you need to learn how to read a pro. You need to know where your stop is at, okay? Comment below, scan this QR code, get one a day before they take. All right, till next time, my name is JD, and as always, I wish you peace on the sun. Bye-bye.